Welcome to this special episode of Bitcoin News Today on the 4th of December 2018. I'm James and today I'm exposing the biggest Bitcoin conspiracy out there. Deliberate manipulation of the mainstream media by institutional two-faced investors who are trying to bring down the price of Bitcoin whilst behind the scenes they are investing in Bitcoin themselves, such as Jamie Dimon. He slammed Bitcoin as a fraud back in September 2017, and he is the Chief Executive Officer of JP Morgan Chase & Co. He said he would fire any employee found trading Bitcoin for being stupid, and the Bitcoin price dipped by 24% after he made that statement. However, behind the scenes, he's actually betting big on the Bitcoin technology. They said that they are launching a blockchain-based system with two other banks to reduce global payment transaction speeds from weeks to hours. George Soros from Davos, he said Bitcoin is a typical bubble, and this is the guy that made $1 billion by betting against pound sterling price on Black Friday. He's saying that Bitcoin is a typical bubble. He's trying to bring down the Bitcoin price. It actually fell by 44% after he made these comments. But again, in the background, his family office is investing in cryptocurrencies as the price plunges. His family office is said to have got approval for cryptocurrency trading. So he says one thing and does another. Steve Strongin said that most cryptocurrencies will crash to zero. However, behind the scenes, Goldman Sachs bought the Poloniex exchange for $400 million. So they're investing very heavily in cryptocurrency technology, whilst putting retail investors off. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, said that Bitcoin is an index of money laundering. Bitcoin just shows you how much demand for money laundering there is in the world, he said. This was in October 2017. This is just after Jamie Dimon called people who own the cryptocurrency stupid. And again, that comment caused the Bitcoin price to dip, but lo and behold, BlackRock is looking into crypto and blockchain technology. BlackRock has set up a working group to look into cryptocurrencies and blockchain, and all of this seems to be orchestrated, as in all of these influential institutional investors are saying really negative things about Bitcoin, and maybe in response to the IMF's Christine Lagarde, who called for a crackdown on Bitcoin. She's the IMF chief and says that cryptocurrency's own blockchain technology could be used to control it. She's called for a crackdown on Bitcoin by using the technology to fight fire with fire. But when has she ever called for a crackdown on banks lending irresponsibly, for example? Surely that's more harmful to the economy. However, there is some good news out there. Stephen Cohen's venture capital firm gets into crypto with a new partner. This is from July this year. Hedge fund billionaire Steve Cohen is joining the Bitcoin party. Cohen Private Ventures, which was launched by his family office in 2010, has invested Autonomous Partners, a new hedge fund that is acquiring both cryptocurrencies and equity in blockchain related companies. Also, Mark Lasry, the billionaire, has said that he has invested 1% of his net worth in Bitcoin, and he sees Bitcoin reaching up to $40,000 as it becomes more mainstream and easier to trade. Andreessen Horowitz raises its first dedicated crypto fund as well. It's investing aggressively in crypto even as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have dropped. The company raised $300 million for its first crypto focused fund and is bringing on its first female general partner, former US Department of Justice prosecutor Katie Horn, to lead the effort. That comes from 25th of June 2018. Also, Susquehanna, the firm is way ahead of Wall Street on Bitcoin, according to this article from June the 5th in the New York Times. It says, while a number of large financial institutions have discussed trading Bitcoin, one firm has already begun doing it, very quietly though. The firm Susquehanna International from just outside Philadelphia is one of the largest players in trading traditional investment. Over the last 2 years, the privately owned company has also built up a trading desk of around a dozen people that buys and sells millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and other virtual or cryptocurrencies in private deals. The Rockerfellers have joined George Soros and the Rothschilds in cryptocurrency investment plans, according to this article from August 2018. It says, despite the collapse in cryptocurrency prices since the beginning of the year, more marquee investors have decided that now is the time to buy in. Last week, George Soros had taken some time out from his battle of wills with Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban to grant one of his underlings approval to begin trading in crypto. Adam Fisher, who oversees macro investing at New York-based Soros Fund Management, has reportedly received internal approval to trade virtual coins in the last few months. Soros's involvement followed reports last year that the Rothschild family has waded into the space, first by purchasing Bitcoin exposure via the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And the latest news is that Bitcoin ETF seekers met with the SEC on Monday, according to this article that was published on the 30th of November, in the latest pitch for approval. Members of VanEck, SolidX and the SIBO BZX exchange met with the US Securities and Exchange Commission staff earlier this week to present a new argument on why the Bitcoin market is ready for an exchange-traded fund. So if approved in 2019, that is predicted to potentially massively increase the value of Bitcoin as billions of dollars worth of institutional money pour in to invest in Bitcoin. So if this sounds interesting, definitely click the link in the video description where you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin free from Coinbase, which is the most trusted Bitcoin exchange in the world, and get started with that. Do subscribe to my channel as well, give the video a thumbs up if you've not done already, and let me know what you think in the comments. Is now a good time to buy Bitcoin, or the negative news story is right in your opinion? So look forward to reading your comments, and also check out this video as well that I'm sure you will love. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye for now.